In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a smooth slow motion in CapCut on PC. So first open up CapCut and then go to import and import your media. So I'm just going to go to downloads and I've got here a video of some waves crashing in. So we're going to then drag this onto our timeline. Let me just first turn down the audio. So let's play this video. So you can see it's just waves crashing in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow this video down. So what you want to do is click on the video. Then this is very simple. Go to speed. You've got your speed here. So 1 times is going to be normal speed. If you increase it, it's going to make it faster, but you can slow it down by 0.5, or you can even go lower than that. Now, if you've got like a 60 FPS or higher film, it's going to look better when it's slowed down. I'm just going to keep mine at half the speed, so it's going to slow it down by 0.5. Now, what you also want to do is enable smooth slow-mo and change this to optical flow. Now, it's going to take longer to process this, but it is going to work out much more smoother. So you can see here, it's processing at 0%. I'm just going to wait until this is 100% and show you the end result. Okay, so now smooth slow-mo has been added. I had to shorten the clip because it was taking ages to render. That's the thing, it does take a long time to process unless you've got a really fast computer. So don't do this for very long clips, but let's just have a look. You can see now that it is 0.5% slower. Now you can go slower than that. It's up to you, and it also depends on your computer's speed. If it's taking ages, change to framing blender and it will be faster, but the result won't be as good. But that's how you do it. I hope that video did help you out.